In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to export deals from HubSpot, ensuring your process is both simple and efficient. This is particularly useful if you're looking to analyze your sales data or share it with team members in a more manageable format than what HubSpot's online interface provides. Let's get started. First, let's assume you're already logged into your HubSpot account. Once you've confirmed that, locate the navigation bar at the top of your dashboard. You'll need to click on CRM, which stands for Customer Relationship Management. This is essentially the heart of your HubSpot interface, integrating all your sales processes. After clicking on CRM, you'll see several options. Go ahead and select Deals. This action will redirect you to the Deals page, which contains a comprehensive list of all your deals, a great hub where you can track your sales efforts and outcomes. Once you're on the Deals page, your next step is to locate the Export button. This is typically positioned clearly within the interface, making it easy to find even if you're new to the platform. Clicking on this button activates the export process, facilitating the transition of your valuable deals data from HubSpot to a downloadable format. As you prepare to export, HubSpot gives you the opportunity to customize your export options. This step is crucial as it allows you to tailor the export to your specific needs. For instance, you can choose which details about the deals you want to include, such as the deal stage, value, and associated contacts. These customizations ensure that the exported data is both relevant and insightful. Spend a few moments here. Understanding what kind of data will be most beneficial when it's out of HubSpot can make analysis and sharing more efficient. Once you've configured the export settings to your liking, go on and click that Export button again to initiate the process. HubSpot then compiles your data into the chosen format, typically a spreadsheet, which you can then download. This format is ideal for further sorting, filtering, and sharing with colleagues or stakeholders who need insights about your organization's sales pipeline. In summary, exporting deals from HubSpot is a straightforward task, but ensuring that you leverage the customization options can make a world of difference in the usefulness of your exported data. By selecting exactly what you need, you can enhance the clarity of your analysis and the effectiveness of strategic decisions based on solid insights. That's it for today's guide. Thanks for watching, and feel free to explore other features within HubSpot that can further streamline your sales process.